This is from Adi Lila, Chaitanya Charitamrita Adi Lila, volume 4. Chapter 4, verse 30 in the purport. Because we have to ask the question, why does Krishna come and show these confidential, intimate pastimes to the gopis? Prabhupada explains, Krishna himself appears before the materialistic people on this earth planet to bestow upon them the highest form of spiritual realization and also personally relish its essence. Krishna is so merciful that he himself descends to this material world to take the fallen souls back home, back to Godhead, where the erotic principles of Godhead are eternally relished in their real form. Krishna has come here to bring all the conditioned souls back to the world of erotica. The world of erotica means the world of conjugal pastime, love between Krishna and the gopis. It's relished in their real form, distinct or different from the perverted sexual love so much adored and indulged in by the fallen souls in their diseased condition. The reason Krishna displays the Rasa Lila, why does Krishna display the Rasa Lila? Kissing the gopis, dancing, everything going on. Everything. And the moralists and mundaners, they criticize and find fault and don't even accept that Krishna has such pastimes. All the Gujaratis, there's Balakrishna. Or if they worship Gurana of Krishna, it's only Rukmini Dwarkadish. All over South India, only temples Rukmini Dwarkadish, Dwarka Lila. This Mathura Lila is some imagination. Vrindavan Lila. They don't. You go all over India, everywhere in South India, ancient deities, Rukmini Dwarkadish, Rukmini Dwarkadish. You go to Mathura, Dwarkadish. There's no Radha and Krishna temples anywhere, only new in the last few hundred years. This is a Gaudiya contribution. The reason the Lord displays the Rasa Lila is essentially to induce or to encourage all fallen souls to give up their diseased morality and religiosity and to attract them to the kingdom of God to enjoy the reality. A person who actually understands what the Rasa Lila is will certainly hate to indulge in mundane sex life. For the realized soul, hearing Rasa Lila through the proper channel will result in complete abstinence from material sexual pleasure.